back to my channel. Today's video features my friend Maria, and I'll leave her Instagram down below, so don't forget to give her a follow. This look consists of a summer glam look. It looks awesome on her skin, and it's very glowy, yet natural and glam at the same time. I think this look would be awesome for wedding makeup. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Starting off this makeup look, I'm going in with this CeraVe moisturizing lotion. It also has SPF in it, which is awesome, especially when you're going to be outdoors with your makeup on. And then I'm going in with the CeraVe eye cream just to prep the under eyes. Now going in with this Radiance Serum, I just wanted the skin to be super glowy and fresh underneath the foundation. Now I'm going in with the Jade Stone Facial Roller just to drain the lymphatic system and to get the blood pumping in her face in preparation for the makeup. To prep her lips, I'm going in with the Glossier Balm.com Lip Balm. To pump up the radiance even more, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Dew Drops, and I'm placing that on the high points of her face, so the typical areas that I would apply highlighter, but obviously this is a cream form, and this is underneath the foundation. Now going in with this lightweight Sephora 10-Hour Wear foundation, I am applying this with the stippling brush just to make the finish of the foundation look more natural. Now going in with my trusty Urban Decay Naked Skin Color Correcting Fluid in the shade Peach. This cancels out any dark purple or blue tones that can naturally be underneath the eyes. I first go in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer in shade Neutral, a shade close to the foundation shade to add more coverage in areas where it is needed. And then I go in later on with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to brighten up the areas that need to be brightened and to add more definition. My favorite way to blend concealer with the foundation is just with a sponge. I feel like it looks the most seamless and most natural. I'm just adding a little bit of coverage over certain blemishes and any area on her face that needs a little bit more coverage. Now I'm going in with a sponge that I use for foundation and concealer, and I am taking that and taking some translucent powder, and I like to press that in the T-zone to really lock down the concealer and to make sure everything does not budge. Now I'm going in with this CC cream, but it is very dark for her natural skin tone, so I'm using it to bronze up the skin, and I like to use a cream product because I feel like it lasts longer on the skin compared to just using a powder bronzer. Now to set down that cream bronzer, I'm going in with powder bronzer, and I am just setting that down to ensure that the cream product does not slide around on the face. Now going in with this beautiful palette by Pixie Beauty and by the influencer and makeup artist herself, Chloe Morello, who I love. I'm going in with these two blush shades. One's a little bit more orange and the other one a little bit more pink. And I'm blending that and placing that on the apples of her cheeks. Now to set down all the creams and powders, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now before I go into the eyeshadow, I'm taking some translucent powder and I'm just making sure there are no creases and it is ready for the eyeshadow to be applied. Now going back in with the bronzer I used on her skin, I am just taking that with the fluffy brush and defining her crease. Now I'm going to take the original blush shades I used on her cheeks, and I'm going to take that with the fluffy brush and place that in her crease. I'm taking those two shades again on a pencil brush and I'm buffing out the lower lash line. Now to brighten up the eyes, I'm taking this light shimmery shade and I'm placing that all over the lid. Now I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette and I'm highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner. Now taking the dark brown matte shade in this palette, I'm going in and I'm creating a faux liner look and just smoking out the outer corner. To prep the eyes for mascara, we're going in first with the eyelash curler and then we're going in with this Booster XL White Mascara Primer by Lancome, and it's supposed to really lift the lashes and help them appear thicker. Now I'm just going in with the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline and giving her top and bottom lashes a good coat. To ensure that the mascara does not transfer underneath her eyes on the concealer, I'm just placing a little bit of powder underneath the lash line. Now moving on, I'm using Ardell individual lashes in the size medium, and I am placing a few on the outer corners of her eyes. I applied 4 to 5 on each eye. Now moving on to eyebrows, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and I am just giving her brow a little bit more structure and just lightly filling in the sparse areas. To finish off the brows, I'm going in with the Boy Brow Eyebrow Gel, and this will help the eyebrows appear fluffier and thicker. I'm going in now with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Brown, just to make a thin line on the lash line to help the falsies blend in. Now going back to the mascara, I'm just applying a little bit more to have her individual lashes blend in with her real lashes. Now to finish off this look, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner and filling in her lips. Now I'm going in with the Sheer Pigment Lip Gloss just to add a little bit more color, and then I go in with one more lip gloss that helps with plumping, so I place that in the center of her lips to make them appear fuller and more juicy. This is the end result, so I hope you guys enjoyed this ultimate glam summer look. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment down below and a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.